Mechanical engineering, the study of physical machines that may involve force and movement. Some of the courses that you can expect if you attend like an engineering major in college is engineering mechanics, which is solving mechanics problems through mathematical, scientific, and engineering principles. Another one of those being machine element design, which provides advanced knowledge or designing key machine elements of mechanics such as bearings, shafts, gears, and springs. There's also various projects that you could be done or that you could be doing during college. One of those being the chainless bicycle project. This is typically a final year project where the students will have to figure out how to use gears and drive shafts rather than the typical chain on a bike. In most cases, spine bevel gears and bearings are used to create this drive shaft, and extensive understanding of gears is needed to be successful. The picture on the left is an example of that. Another one is the highway windmill project. This too is typically a final year project in which students have to design a wind catching components from vehicles traveling so that it can be transformed into energy, normally made out of metal and plastic components with gears to create energy. You must have an understanding of the wind to energy process with this project. The last one is the solar water pump project. Within this project, students are given the challenge of converting solar energy using a solar panel into a water pump to provide a more renewable source of energy. The materials are standard and include the solar panels, and students typically wire these together to a pump to get their final result. This is also typically a final year project. A project that I think we could do in class is the mini combustion engine, probably on like a much smaller, like a really small scale. I'm not really sure how practical this mini engine would be in class, but I think it would be cool to try and make. We could also try to like make that and then use that engine in another project by creating something else, whether that be like a small robot or another sort of machine. Why did I take this course? It was one of the possible college outlets for me. I'm not really sure what I want to go into yet. I've been very on the fence about what I want to do after high school. However, I do know for sure that I cannot be sitting behind a desk all day long. It's not the type of person that I am, and I must be able to have some sort of hands-on process throughout my day, or I'll become super burnt out super fast. So when hearing about this course, I thought I'd give it a try since you can build things and learn all about the components of what you're building.